Hello all, welcome to Letstute. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss an update from us. Do check out our website www.letstute.com for a wide range of courses on math and science.
Hi, in this video we are going to understand the Pythagoras Theorem by performing an activity. The Pythagoras Theorem states that the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. So let us go ahead and perform the activity to understand this in a better manner. So first, draw a right-angled triangle PQR, right-angled at R, and name the sides PR, QR, and PQ, B, A, and C units respectively. After you finish drawing the triangle, you need to construct squares on each of the sides of the triangle. That is, you need to construct squares on side PQ, QR, and PR. After construction, the figure will look somewhat like this. Now, since all the sides of a square are equal, the square which is constructed on side PQ will have all its sides as C units. Similarly, since QR is A units, all the sides of the square constructed on it are A units. And since PR is B units, all the sides of the square constructed on it are B units. After construction, with a pair of scissors, cut out all these three squares and the right-angled triangle. Now, using these shapes, cut out 8 copies of the right-angled triangle using a yellow colored paper and 1 copy of each square using an orange color, a green color, and a blue colored paper. Now, take 4 copies of the right-angled triangle and the green square and orange square and paste them on a drawing paper to get the following figure. These are the 4 right-angled triangles, the green square and the orange square. We'll consider this as figure 1. Next, take the 4 remaining right-angled triangles and the blue square and paste them to get this figure. We'll consider this as figure 2. So here, if you observe both the figures, you'll see that each is a square of side A plus B units. Therefore, we can say that area of square in figure 1 equals to area of square in figure 2. Now, if you remove 4 triangles from figure 1 and the 4 triangles figure 2, you will be removing equal amounts of area from both the figure 1 and figure 2 because each of these triangles are equal. Therefore, inversely, we can also say that the remaining area of both these figures is also equal. That is, area of the orange square plus area of the green square equals to area of the blue square. Now, since the area of the green square is A square, of the orange square is B square, and of the blue square is C square, we can say that A square plus B square equals to C square. Therefore, A square plus B square equals to C square. This verifies the Pythagoras theorem.
So, that's it for this session. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from us. Till then, Keep watching, keep learning.